Hi guys, today we're making coated peanuts. So this is the process. We have to peel it one after the other. We're making at least 10 to 20 packs. I'll carry you guys along. Hi guys, welcome back to Eva family. Returning subscribers, thank you so much. If you're seeing us for the first time, this is Eva family. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, so we are almost done. This is what is left, and this is the peeled one. As I mentioned, we are making up to 20 or 10 or 20 packs. I'll carry you guys along. This is snack of the day for visitors, for family, even for selling. If you don't have any business, guys, this is a side hustle. So yeah, stay tuned. So we have, this is granules, this is our flour and sugar, flour or flour, I don't know, whatever you call it. Then this is 3 eggs, because actually we have enough. We have this granite is much, so we're going to use 3 eggs. Then we have milk. Here we have our baking powder and our nutmeg. So guys, stay tuned, follow along. Let me show you. So for the flour, we put our baking powder, like 5 grams. This is 10, so half of this is enough. And then our nutmeg, half of this should also be enough. We'll mix it. Okay. So this is okay for now. Set it here, and then we have to mix our egg and then our sugar. So we whisk till the sugar dissolves. Guys, this one takes time. Well, what can we do? This is our bowl for shaking. What we do, you take the quantity you want. Usually you should not make it too much, so that it can be able to shake very well. You shake them batch by batch. You start with the liquid or the wet ingredients, and you shake it to make sure that the liquid gets to all the granules. Okay, and be careful when you're shaking it so you don't break the granule. It's better when it's whole than when it's broken. How will you eat a peanut and it's a broken peanut? Although we have some broken ones here, but the best thing is to pick it. Yeah, guys, it's okay. So we add our, let's go with 1 spoon. So we repeat this until we feel that the coating is good enough. You see, you can also close it down. Guys, the coating is where the work is. Shake, shake, shake. Guys, I finished shaking now. Before I shake out my pan. And so this is the second. Okay, we'll go with our dry ingredients, guys. See the thickness is really thick, but guys, do you see how thick it is? So, but I think I need to add small liquid. I need to get that very thick. Let me just put 1.5. Guys, so we've done it like this. Is the 4th coating, so you can see is thick enough. So it depends on how thick you want it. It's optional, guys. So we sieve it to remove the excess flour. You can also handpick the ones you think, like this one is really looking plain. I'll handpick it and remove it. And that's all. These ones are okay, ready to fry. Okay, we'll do this until we finish everything, and then we'll fry. So guys, these are oil. So we try to see. Yeah, the oil is hot. It's hot enough. So you fry until it's golden brown. And that is it. It's ready. So guys, see the color? It's golden brown. So if you like it, some people like it darker than this, but believe me, this is the best color. So we'll remove it and we'll fry another batch. So guys, really it took a while. It took a while, but then it came out really nice. You can see this is how our peanut crunchy, and is really very good. I think I'll advise you that when you are frying it, since the corn is the groundnut is already fried, don't keep it too long, because when you keep it too long, it gets the groundnut burnt or burn. Anyone show I show this video today this morning. So another thing too we did is that it wasn't tasty enough, so we added the sugar, the icing sugar into the flour. So we added icing sugar into the flour, and the taste was really perfect, like really perfect. So guys, let me know if you are trying this in the comment section. Let me know when you try it, how did it go, how did it come out. It's very good. Like, Christmas is around the corner, so guys, make it so nice, and for your visitors, for your guests, for your family. Yeah, everybody loves peanuts. Who doesn't love peanuts? Yeah guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Keep on liking, watching, subscribing, sharing. If you've not subscribed till now, please do well to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.